Watch my video to see how I made these 3 hats very quickly with the Htvront manual heat press, and see links below for Black Friday specials. So I printed this image with my sublimation printer. This is going on our bucket hat. This DTF print I did with my DTF printer, and that's going on this baseball hat. And then this is a patch that I engraved with the I engrave, and that is going on this baseball hat. I just got this Htvront manual heat press, and so I am going to be pressing those 3 hats. So I'm going to turn the unit on here, and this is the hat stretcher for putting it on. Be sure to wear heat-resistant gloves because the platen gets extremely hot, and there are 2 sizes to this as well. So this is the leatherette adhesive patch that I am going to be adding, and it suggests 290 degrees for 20 seconds, and I'm going to be putting it over this mess up that I did with HTV. I had made some baseball caps a while back, and this one didn't turn out, so I'm going to see if I can make myself a nice hat by adding this patch to the top. So I'm going to be pressing this at 290 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 seconds. I have my leatherette hat taped in place with heat resistant tape. Now I'm going to mount it on the press. So you can adjust the pressure here, but I have that adjusted already, and I have the stretcher set, and I have my hat in place. So I am going to press this now for 20 seconds. The countdown timer started right as I closed the press. And here it is right after the press. I'm excited to get the tape off. Well, I am very excited about this. It went on perfectly. It's nice and tight. It worked out great. And so I have my I engraved leatherette patch on here. I'll have these patches in a link below. And I was able to cover my mess up completely. So I'm extremely happy. This is a gift for myself. I am going to wear this when we go camping and side-by-side riding. So I am going to be pressing this DTF design on at 355 degrees for between 20 and 25 seconds. And I'm really nervous about this one because I don't know if you can see it, but there is a seam right there that goes right up the middle, but I'm going to give this a try. And here it is after the press, so we'll see how it did with that seam. Wow, I am very impressed. I am going to put a Teflon sheet on this and repress it for about 5 to 10 seconds. But I'm very happy with how this sat on that seam. I just did my second press on this DTF and it turned out so great. I'm really glad that I decided to go over the seam. I think this looks phenomenal. So for the sublimation bucket hat, I am raising my temperature up to 385 degrees, and I'm going to press this for 45 seconds. So I am going to do a pre-press here for about 5 to 10 seconds, just so that I can put my sublimation design on. I want to make sure that it's nice and straight. So here we go. So I have my sublimation design on my hat here with heat resistant tape, and I'm also using Htvront 125 sublimation paper. So here we go for 45 seconds. All right, this is done. So let's take a peek here. All right, I'm going to get this off. I'm going to put my heat resistant gloves on, get this off, and we'll take a peek. Wow, this turned out amazing. I am super excited. I just made basically three gifts. 2 of these hats are gifts and 1 is for myself. So there is the sublimation print. And I did these in such a short amount of time. I am super impressed with this heat press. Htvront is having a Black Friday sale, so be sure to check out my links below and check the dates that these are available. But I will have a link below for this Htvront manual hat heat press and for the different items that I've used in this video. Thanks for watching. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Have a great day. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, see links below, and leave me a comment.